everywhere can be stressful. And Lagos International Airport is no different. With the crowds, the rush, the chaos of travel. It's no surprise that a few people try to take advantage of travelers who don't know any better. Even smart, experienced travelers sometimes get caught out. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest scams at Lagos International Airport. The ones people fall for every single day. So you can travel with confidence and avoid unnecessary stress. If you come to Nigeria for Dirty December or you are traveling out of Nigeria for the very first time, you need to see this. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Sassy Funke. I help Nigerians and Africans around the world travel smarter, cheaper, and with less wahala. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss my airport survival guides. Scam 1, the trolley scam. In many airports, trolleys are free, but in Lagos, it's a mixed bag. At the new terminal, some are free. At the old terminal, you must pay. But here comes the scam. Random guys claiming, trolley is 5K, 5,000 naira. Lies. The official rate is usually between 500 naira and 5,000 naira max, depending on the size and whether you hire a porter to help you. But if you don't know, you play like you're buying the trolley to take home. Always head straight to the official trolley desk or airport staff. Don't price trolley like you're shopping for Pepe at Mile 12 Market. I'll put the official trolley pricing as at May 2025 up on screen now. Scam 2, the currency exchange sharks. You want to change dollars to naira. That's when the whisper starts. Madam, I'll give you a better rate. Tempting, right? Until you realize you've been shortchanged, or worse, you're holding fake notes. This usually happens outside of the airport building, where men stand around flashing bundles of naira to lure travelers. Don't be fooled. These hustlers can turn $100 into monopoly money before you even leave arrivals. If you must change money, use the official bureau de change inside of the airport, and honestly, if you can wait until you're in town, that's even better. But outside the airport building, don't try it. Scam 3, the prohibited items fee. This one can frustrate you. Officials check your bag and suddenly say, Madam, you are carrying prohibited items, you must pay a fee. Sometimes, yes, items like fresh meat, fruits, or lab liquids are restricted depending on your destination. But other times, it's just intimidation. The best way to beat this: arm yourself with knowledge. Know what's actually prohibited for your airline and destination country. That way, if they try it, you can confidently say, no sir, that item is allowed. Tell me, have you experienced this scam before? Scam number 4, pay or miss your flight. This one is pure intimidation. It mostly targets first-time travelers. I've had people DM me saying officials at the airport told them, if you don't settle us, we'll delay you until your flight leaves. Can you imagine? Here's my advice. Don't panic. Politely ask, what exactly am I paying for? If you can, record the interaction and then say, please, I want to speak to your supervisor. Scammers hate supervisors. Once they know you're not an easy target, they usually back off. Never hand over money in fear. That just fuels the whole scam. Scam 5, fake helpers. And finally, the scam almost everyone complains about: fake helpers. You arrive in Lagos, and before you can even say, thank God, 5 guys rush at you. Madam, let me help you. Bags are grabbed, trolleys rushed, all before you can even react. Some are just hoping for tips, but many will assist you and then demand outrageous payment later. Even if they flash an ID, just know this and know peace. At Lagos Airport, no help is free. One of my friends told that she gave them 1,000 naira once, and the person looked in disgust and was like, what is this? My personal trick? I simply tell them, sure, you can help me, but I have no money to give you. The speed at which they drop that trolley, Olympic level sprints. This is the #1 scam travelers complain about. And once you've experienced it, you will never forget it. And there you have it. The 5 scam travelers fall for at Lagos International Airport. If you've ever experienced any of these, share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more Lagos airport survival guides. The more you know, the less stress and wahala you'll face when you travel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.